Hello, we have done a video, a how-to video on how to do your Module 3 Civil War timeline, this timeline right here, but we have not done a video on how to do the World War I illustrated presentation. So I'm just going to add a couple things to the Civil War timeline presentation video. It will be the same rubric, so I'm not going to do that part. So if you have a question on how it's graded, make sure you go back to the Module 3 Civil War timeline presentation video to see how the rubric will work. The rubric's also in the folder, Module 10 folder, but this is for Module 10, is for the World War I illustrated presentation. So this is important in that you are choosing events leading to America's entry into World War I and events during the war. So you need some on the entry and you need some in the war, whereas the Civil War one was all leading up to. This one you can use both. So you will have a title slide. You only need 8 event slides this time. You need an image for each event. You need a minimum of 3 sentences, just like last time, describing the event. And in addition to the minimum required, you'll need an extra sentence that you highlight explaining why this event was significant reason that America entered the war and or why the event was significant to the war. Make sure you highlight that sentence. On the top, you need a date as part of your title. If you decide to put an event and you put this event happened on da-da-da-da-da, and that's your first sentence, you can do that, but it does not count as your 3 minimum sentence length requirement. So make sure you have that date on the top with the title of the event. So a slide would look like the name of the event and the date right after that. Then you'll have an image, and then you'll have 3 sentences that describe the event. What was the event? Then you will have a highlighted sentence that says why it was significant to either America entering the war or why it was a significant event during the war. You need 8 of them, and you need to put them in chronological order. Then you'll need a 9th slide. You did not do this on the Civil War one. That is a reflection slide. You choose one event that you think was the most important event, either entering World War I or during World War I, and explain in a 5-sentence minimum why you feel it was the most important event of World War I. And finally, you need a works cited. Make sure that you do the images and your information, and please separate them. Put like works cited images and put those in a bullet list, and then works cited information and put those in an information. And this will be turned in automatically to turnitin.com. Make sure you save it as a PDF so that everything is saved, including your highlights. Have a great day. Again, if you need to see the rubric, either look at it in the folder or look at it in the Module 3 video. Bye-bye.